Many of the agents, please, you will not shut me up.
You are the lawyer.
Listen,
tell me which provision of the Constitution of the law.
Can you listen to one person at a time?
No, this man likes to shout. We can shout and we push you out of here. You are the lawyer. No. So I can push you out of here. Lukwago.
Yes, I know you have the powers.
You are the lawyer. You are the lawyer.
You have overshot something.
Yes, you are the lawyer. You are the lawyer, Lukwago. You have overshot something.
I take exception of the conduct of Mr. Opondo, which was criminal in nature, and that's the reason actually I'm here. I've reported a case of assault and also attempt to finish me off, because I don't know what his intention was. Was it to kill me? Was it to harm me? Was it to do whatever he wanted? I don't know. So I want that matter investigated. I want him to be brought to book, and I'm here for justice. So I'm determined to pursue justice. I am determined to deal with him in accordance with the law. I am going to pursue this matter here and also other civil matters against him. He must be brought to book. That's what I'm pushing for.